Hi, EXS 132 students. Lisa and I have some updates for you regarding how the rest of the semester will continue as far as our schedule. As stated, I think a couple weeks ago, the next assignments that you will have due will be due Wednesday, April 8th, instead of the Monday, April 6th, due to the fact that we kind of extended the semester quite a bit. We had a little suspension in there. So the next assignments due will be April 8th, which is a Wednesday. They'll still be due at 5:30, which is our normal class time. We are going to keep all assignments due still at the 5:30 deadline, just to stay in line with what we've been doing all semester. So you have a bunch of things that are due coming up on the 8th. So time to make some priorities or to kind of prioritize things and decide what you should be working on over the course of the next couple of weeks. First thing to focus on is going to be your exam number 1. That is in your modules. And we have a drop box for that. So exam number 1, your paper version, if you've already completed it on paper and you wanted to take pictures and upload those, you can do that here. And then if you haven't started working on your paper portion or just wanted to do it all online, you'll click right there and do that. So exam number 1, highest priority since it is the highest number of points. Lisa also gave you some feedback on your VO2 number 3 assignment. And for 30 points, you can make those corrections that she gave you, and then you will be able to continue to work on your VO2 paper kind of for that final paper. Just a reminder that you do need to pass the VO2 paper in order to pass the class. So please make those corrections. That's worth 30 points. And if you scroll up under VO2 assignments, VO2 paper assignments, you will see the VO2 number 3 corrections. And I did link Lisa's video post about how to make some of your corrections. I linked that in the assignment, so you will just submit your assignment there. Again, that's 30 points, and it'll be due by April 8th at 5:30. Other big things to continue to work on are going to be completing Connect Chapter 9, also to be completing the Chapter 6 quiz, which is on Canvas. So Chapter 6 quiz right here. I did do the video lecture, so if you haven't watched the video lecture, please watch the video lecture and then complete your Chapter 6 quiz. The Chapter 9 in Connect. And then Chapter 14 was a self-learn chapter. That's kind of how we had it set up throughout the semester, our normal semester before COVID-19. So we're going to keep it that way. This chapter is about risk factors and inflammation. So you can complete your Connect chapter, and there won't be a video lecture or anything to view on this chapter. So literally, if you would like, you can go into Connect, complete your chapter on your e-textbook, and then go right in and take your Chapter 14 quiz. Okay? So those are kind of the priorities or ways you should be working on things if you need to prioritize your time. If you go into up here on the syllabus and date sheet, I have uploaded the new dates, and the date sheet looks like this. So we will only have 4 weeks of the semester once we return on the 6th. So as you can see, we'll be returning on the 6th. And these assignments that are listed here that I just spoke about will all be due on Wednesday the 8th instead of our normal Monday to Monday week. We are going to complete a workout sometime during the 6th, the week of the 6th. More information on what you guys will be doing for that will be posted. You're obviously going to be homebound, so you'll be completing an online workout of some sort. More than likely, it'll be a video linking to some type of HIIT or Tabata type workout, and you'll be posting a reflection about that. So please continue to stay on top of everything. As you can see, with cramming everything into those last 4 weeks of the semester, you are going to have a bunch of things due each week. So try to prioritize your time, especially since none of your other classes are meeting right now, if you can spend a few extra minutes on some online things for EXS 132, that would be a good thing. You will be getting more information, like I said, about workout number 2, and then as well as exam number 2. We'll try to give you as much time to be able to complete those as we can. As you can see, exam number 2 will be due on the 20th of April. It will be all online, so trying to work and kind of transition things to this all online environment for you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. And then any questions about the VO2 papers or corrections or anything like that, you can send those directly to Lisa because she will be grading those. So I hope you all stay healthy. Make sure you wash your hands and have a good week.